Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix Capcut no internet connection. Connect to the internet and try again. So guys, when you have open Capcut in your iPhone or in other iOS device like iPad and facing this type of issue that you have connected with no internet connection. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, now from here you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, you have to connect it first, and if you are already connected with Wi-Fi, you need to click on your Wi-Fi, and guys, you need to forget this network, and guys, you need to click on forget, and after this you need to reconnect it again with your Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your iPhone, and after this you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. So guys, maybe there is network problem, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back, check your date and time, make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing all these settings, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search CapCut. So guys, after searching it, you have to open your CapCut here, and guys, you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings again, click on general, and click on iPhone storage. And guys, from here you need to find CapCut app. So guys, as you can see here, here is the CapCut. You have to open this, and guys, you need to offload your app, and after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.